Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to factory reset Playful Rewards on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Playful Rewards app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, make sure you back up any important points, rewards or progress if you want to keep them because factory reset will erase everything. Next, go to the app settings section. Usually you can find it by tapping a profile icon or the gear icon inside the app. Look for options called factory reset, clear data or factory reset. Tap it, the app might ask you to confirm your choice. Read the warning carefully because this can't be undone. If the app doesn't have a built-in reset, you can delete the app completely from your iPhone. Press and hold the app icon, tap remove app, then delete app to remove it. After deleting, go to the app store, search for Playful Rewards and download it. Again, this install a fresh version without any old data. And that's it. Your Playful Rewards app is now factory reset and ready to use. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.